Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to bring you in here and show you what we do to protect your floor. So what we've got here, we've got a tire guard. You can see that it is screwed on. This is a sheet of aluminum and it is screwed on to the bottom of the floor right above where the tires are. It goes all the way down. You can see where it's screwed on there, and it follows the tires all the way down and even a little bit further than the tires. So what that does is it's going to protect road debris, a tire blowout, anything that gets kicked up into that area right there. This is going to protect that floor from getting damaged. So that's another thing that we do in our Luxe luxury fifth wheels that protect your investment. So hey, tell us what you think. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.